Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making a homemade chicken pot pie. I am taking a half a stick of butter and melting that down. Then I'm going to throw in my Trinity mix and I'm going to cook that down until they're nice and transparent. After I cook them down some, I'm just going to throw in 2 teaspoons of garlic. So now that everything is cooked down, we are going to start making our gravy. And if you don't know how to make gravy, just add just some cornstarch to soak up that butter. Or you can also use flour. And you would just want to add a little bit at a time and work it in so you won't have any clumps. Now I'm just adding in a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Now that we have our whipping cream in there, now you can add your seasonings. And you just want to season it to your liking. And I will link everything that I used in the description box below. And once you season it how you like it, you're going to add 1.5 cups of chicken stock or broth, or beef stock or broth, depending on what kind of meat you are using in this. Or you don't have to use meat at all, you can just use vegetable stock. So my filling did not thicken up as much as I wanted it to, so I'm just going to mix a little bit of some cornstarch with my chicken stock, and I'm going to pour it in there so it can thicken up a little bit. And I'm only doing a tablespoon at a time because I don't want it to be too thick. Now you can take some frozen veggies of your choice. I'm just using this mixed veggie mix that I got from Publix. I also grilled some chicken off camera, but you can use rotisserie chicken from the store or grill your own chicken at home. So we're just gonna mix that all together like so, like that, and then we're gonna put this filling into our pie crust. So I am not making my pie crust from scratch. I actually bought it from the store. And I'm just going to lay it out on the bottom, and make sure your pan is greased, you guys, otherwise it will be stuck. So just flatten it out on the pan just like that and work it around the edges. Now, of course, we can just take our filling that we just made and put it into our pie crust. And once we get all of our filling in there, we're going to take our second pie crust and place that on top. Now I'm just poking holes for ventilation. This is where I'm going to pinch those two pie crusts together and start rolling it up. And this part does not have to be perfect. Now I'm just going to go over the top with some egg wash. You can also use melted butter, but it's totally up to you and your preference. So once you finish painting your crust with that egg wash, you can put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30-35 minutes, and your crust should come out nice and golden brown just like that. And this recipe is so bomb, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.